guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload from your girl. Today is the day I'm taking you guys behind the scenes in my office. My office is looking a little crazy right now. My office is also my inventory room for my boutique, and we have some organizing to do in there. Now today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is a website hosting platform. I've had my website on Squarespace for many years. So throughout this video, I'm also going to be showing you guys features that I use on my Squarespace website, kind of what my office is used for, and like how I implement the things that I do in my office on my website. So let's talk about my journey as a full-time entrepreneur. I've been a full-time entrepreneur since I graduated college in 2017. I got my first order, my first online order from my website on March 5th, 2017. Wow, no lies here. Now let's talk about the first website that I used for Squarespace. On my first website, I launched a blog. I was using Squarespace to have a blog. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna be a blogger. And I still have those blog posts to this day. They were dated back to 2016. Now, I've definitely grown from only having my blog on my website. I have a full-on boutique. Now, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how I use my e-commerce and how Squarespace makes it easy for me to be a boutique owner. Okay, enough sitting down. Let's get into the boutique. Harlem, they need an office tour. Can we come in? All right, guys, we are at the door of my office, and when you first walk in, I have some equipment. This is my lighting. I take pictures of all my inventory, and I am the model for my boutique. Right here are orders that I packaged up earlier. These are my poly mailers. They say Jayla's Closet on them, so these are ready to head out. And we have two different sizes. This size fits about 1 to 3 items in it, depending on the piece. And then this size is for the closet dolls that they just can't get enough, and they need about 5 to 10 pieces in their bag. Some are heavier than others because the girls be shopping. Now when we turn right, I have a neon sign that says Jayla's Closet, and I have a whiteboard that I can list out things that need to get done. So today I need to shoot new inventory, take pictures for the website, package new orders, and then take to the post office. And this is my sign so I can see what I need to do in the office. Now if we turn like this, as you guys can see, lots of inventory. Heading this way, I have a rack of inventory on it. This is my office desk. This is where I am at most of the day. I'm on my computer. I'm shipping things out. On my desk, I have my YouTube play buttons because I'm always creating content, my $1 million planner, pins, my phone and a phone stand, my big computer, my laptop. This is printing paper for labels for the packages. I have different cameras over here, scissors. So that's that. When I'm editing, I tend to use my big computer to see very clear. We're gonna keep on turning. I have these flyers that go in packages. So when someone places the order, they get a Jayla's Closet flyer, hang tags, and it says small, medium, large. I will put a heart on whatever size they are getting, and then I have these string and clips to put on the pieces. Now over in this direction, this is my inventory inventory cubby hole, and it's shaped in a U, and I have my desk in the middle. This is where I will stand to package orders. My little office assistant likes to sleep. I have this wrapping tissue. All pieces get wrapped in Jayla's Closet tissue. These are the mailers right here, and we have the big ones down here. Have some big flyers as well, and I can just reach to any pieces that I have over here. Now some of these pieces have not been put on the website, and that is what I was supposed to be doing today, getting the pieces that need to go online. This has not been added online. This has not been added online. All right guys, so since I started recording and talking to you guys all about my journey, some new orders did come in, so let's go ahead and package those things up. So I already know one of the girls ordered the white flowy jumpsuit, and then another girl ordered the tropical set. Okay, she must be going somewhere fun. So let's go ahead and do that. So I already have the tags on this piece with the size that it is. She ordered a large. My hang tags are super easy. I just put the string through like this, and we have our tag. All right guys, we're now sitting at my desk. It's time to print out the shipping labels, and I also wrote down something else on the board because I forgot about it. Well, I didn't forget, I just keep not getting around to it, which is I need to go through the inventory room. We need to have an inventory check. I had a pop-up shop where people could buy things, and if you're wondering where this dress is from, it is from my closet, and it completely sold out at the pop-up shop. The girls loved this dress. Okay, they loved the shoulders, the fit, the buttons. Girl, this dress sold out. So it is pieces that have sold out, or maybe it's only one left in stock, and I just want to make sure that our inventory online is up to date, so when people are ordering, we're not you know, people aren't placing an order on stuff that we have already sold out of. So we do need to do that. I wrote that down on the board. Closet. So these are all the pieces that I have in this inventory currently right now. Now listen, it is such a limited quantity of these pieces, but I know you girls want some. I think that we should change the price on all of these items and kind of make everything $20. Should we have a $20 blowout sale? Everything $20. All pieces $20. What do you guys think? Let's do this together so you guys can see the back end of my e-commerce, how I add products in. I am not shooting any products right now because the sun just went down. It's gloomy, it's raining. I do have my ring lights to shoot, but let's save that for tomorrow when we have some daylight so we can shoot some really nice photos, so the whole top row can be new pieces. And so this is the inventory page, and with the inventory, it's super easy to use. Let's edit one. This is the summer fling backless multicolored jumpsuit. I can add in pictures. Adding in pictures is easy. Upload file. Add in a description, so I have descriptions of my product. I can see what I have in stock. Let's actually update this inventory because I know that this is wrong. Let's actually see. Let's go get this piece. All right guys, let's see what inventory we have left. On the site it says 6 smalls, 3 mediums, and no larges. That's a lie. I see 1 large right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, so 6 small. So I need 6 girls who want the summer back fling dress for $20 to go head over to the site right now. I am actually changing this now. So it is 6 small, no mediums left. I had 3 mediums available. So no mediums left and 1 large. Okay. So the inventory is updated. Let's update the price. I'm gonna click it again and I just go in and I'm gonna put $20. That's how inventory works. And if you want to add a product, so all the new products that I add, this is what it looks like when you go to add a product. It says, what do you want to sell? Your product type determines certain product settings and features. A physical product, digital product, a service, or do you want to make a gift card? While having your own online business and website can be scary, it's very, very rewarding. It's yours. You're bringing in income and making income from your own website. I have goals of myself and set goals for my business, like, oh, I want to make $5,000 in sales from my website. I want to make $10,000 in sales from my website. I want to make $20,000 in sales from my website selling a product. If you have a goal like that, I recommend checking out Squarespace. Let me talk to you about another feature that I use on my sites. This is my dashboard, which holds all my different templates and different websites that I may have. A lot of these are old templates that I've used and kind of designed. And let's go ahead and dive into some of my older websites. So my old website, jaylakoriyan.com, this is what it looks like. Okay, now I designed this with a template on Squarespace, and I have a moving slider that is changing to different designs that I designed. I was also able to link my Instagram. These are all old pictures. I have a subscribe button where someone can subscribe to my mailing list. Content into coins. Look at baby Jayla. Oh my god. So we have my whole about story. I've added in pictures, me in college, my dorm room. I even added in a YouTube video, like a vlog for people to watch if they're new. I have buy my book, some more moving stuff. And yeah, I think I designed this website pretty good. Okay, girl. To be not a website designer, I did pretty good. Look, Pretty and Pay, the digital and social media blueprint. I have it all written out, what the girls will be learning. Girl, go you. Let's go to the blog. This is how I knew I started my blog so long ago, because the dates are on them. My first blog post was happy birthday blog, May 6, 2016. This was my birth to my blog. Look at these outfits. Okay, heels. Okay, heels. Look at that. Those were some tall heels. Cute. Today is my blog's birthday, and it's a celebration. I am stepping into the world of blogging. I'm so happy to be expanding my brand. TheGlamaholic.com is a fashion blog I created to provide a daily dose of outfit inspiration from every corner of NYC. On this personal style blog, I'll be posting weekly outfit inspiration, something like a fashion diary. You will get to see outfits I wear on a daily basis, whether I'm going to class or to a party. I highlight my everyday outfits as well as my experience in the city that never sleeps. Subscribe to my newsletter to stay updated on all my posts. XOX The Glamaholic. Oh my god, and I had 2 people comment. Where are the shoes from, dog? Yes. Okay. Yes, so my original, I entered the social media space. My username was Glamaholic54. Okay, so I was Glamaholic, and my website back then in 2016 was theglamaholic.com. Look at this, summer fun. I really liked florals back then. Oh, I was a floral girl back then, girl. Really a floral girl. And these are all my pictures. Today I went out into town to enjoy some nice sunshine. I love the summertime because you can wear bright, fun colors. My favorite thing to wear when the weather is warm is 2-piece sets. Not to mention that they are so easy to create an outfit with. This 2-piece set could have been dressed down, but being the glamaholic I am, I had to pair this set with some heels. The girl had her Glamaholic t-shirts. Okay, so that was my old website. Let me show you guys 11/11, my 25th birthday dresses. I needed a web page, a website that looked good, a one-pager where I could put these dresses. Look, 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 look. Okay, the birthday dresses are at the top, have 11/11 and no more rules. The birthday collection, I have the 3 dresses, and then it says make a wish. You finally found the perfect birthday suit. The birthday collection will have all of the tension on you for any occasion, even if it's not your birthday. We won't tell. A shop nail button. What is this? Oh, I input a whole video. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, you know, we put the fabric by the dresses.
Material.
The evolution of JaylaKoriyan.com, the evolution of my products, the evolution of me. Wow. So from being in the garment district in New York to here in my inventory room with my boutique. Wow, things have changed. I don't think I could have even from this day been like, oh my god, I'm gonna be in an inventory room in my place with my own boutique. Wow, look, my assistant was still with me in New York, helping out. The assistant has always been the assistant. Thank you. Now, my website design now is fancy, y'all. Okay, it's a little fancy. You know, my brand has evolved so big that I have so many moving parts. Like, it's everything going on here. I think the only thing I don't have is a blog, which maybe I need to bring the blog back. So when I go to not linked pages, I have Jayla's Closet terms and conditions. So we do have a terms and conditions page, return policy for my boutique, so that is on here. Okay. The YouTube Hustle wait list, created a page where I created this little graphic and literally just needed anybody that wanted to be on the wait list to go here. I have a hidden page for my close friends, like you can buy my close friends. These are just things outside of what's already on my website that I will come up with and I want designed. I wanted to sell my vendor list, create your own boutique. I created a page and had these graphics designed, and this is how I made this page, so you can buy a vendor list. What else was I doing? I just am so creative. I need a website that's going to allow me to just come up with things and be able to do it. Just come up with things and be able to do it. Come up with things and be able to do it. Honestly, truly. So that's how pages work, building out your pages. This is how I run my online business with a Squarespace website. You can go to www.squarespace.com/Jayla to get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase with your first website. As you guys can see, I use my office for multiple different things. I have one section that's Jayla's Closet. I have one section where I'm filming in front of. I have another section where I am actually editing content, and I sit at this kind of area all the time. I'm organizing inventory and shipping out packages in this room. This room is multifaceted. I'm planning out content for Jayla's Closet, planning out content for my social media platforms. Like, this is where all my ideas are birthed. So my office, you know, being set up and organized makes me feel really good. So what are you waiting on? It's time for you to start your online business as well, and Squarespace has your back as your website hosting platform. Click the link in my description box, because you know it's time to get our grind on. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye guys.